How to show or don't show the camera cutout for your Samsung phone on apps with Android 16 One UI 8.0. To make changes to this settings, use a quick access, tap on the gear icon right here. And the fastest way is using the search, type in the words camera cutout. And as you start typing it, you'll notice the suggestion right here. It is part of the display settings, so you can also go there. Now, once you reach here now, just go down and look for camera cutout. And now that you're here, you'll see this right here. And basically what this does, it allows you to either show the camera cutout or create a black bar to hide it. Now, you can see for calculator, I set it to hide. And just as an example for Chrome, I'll set it to hide. And when I go to Chrome now, you'll see that there is this black bar to the top. So that's hiding the camera cutout. And if I set it to show, you'll see now that the camera cutout is shown. And setting it to auto will only go based on what the app is capable of. And you can change these at any given time, like and sub.